Hello friends, Ajav here and today I am going to show you how to make these flying fish flickers. To make an origami flying fish flicker, you need a square sheet. My square sheet's size is 6 inch, 15 by 15 centimeter. So let's start by folding this paper, just leaving a bit space and folding it diagonally into half. Remember, don't go all the way, just leave about a millimeter or two. So as you all can see, I left some space. Now you have to fold this paper into half in this direction. Make it sharp. Unfold and rotate 180 degree and fold this bottom point so it aligns with this edge. This sharp, fold it sharp, unfold and turn over and fold this edge so it aligns with this crease. And make it sharp. Unfold once again and fold this edge so it aligns with this crease. Make it sharp. Okay, so now we have to fold this back. How much? So it aligns like this. I'll show it to you once again. So the fold goes from here and to here. So remember, don't fold this point and make it sharp like this. Now you have to fold this corner down like this so it aligns with this fold. Now you have to do the same with this side. It back like this and fold this corner down. Now you have to overlap this fold just like this and keep overlapping 2 times. And now you have to turn over and rotate it like this, and now you have to fold this corner up so this edge, this point over here aligns with the middle crease. And as you all can see, it is not going all the way till here. It is leaving space. And flatten it by running a fingernail on it. Turn over and do the same and try to leave the same distance from the side. Now you have to take this flap and fold it underneath this flap. So look, they are locked. Now as you see, there is a pocket over here. If you are facing this side, can turn over and look, and you just have to hold this flap inside the pocket. And remember to align this edge with this edge. Side. And one thing to remember, you should make sure that there is no gap over here. Flatten it and look, our fish is ready. Now I'll show you how to flick it. So with the index finger, just flick it like this and hold this flap with a little bit of pressure, not too hard, and flick it like this. And to make it flick even better, you can curve up these edges and folds clear down. Look, it looks like a curved shape. And now let's flick it. Flicks even better. Hope you enjoyed making this flicker fish, and please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.